Hello all, today we are going to see a question from GATE 2017 Mechanical Paper 2. Question number 11. A machine component made of a ductile material is subjected to a variable loading with the sigma minimum as minus 50 MPa and sigma maximum as 50 MPa. So if the corrected endurance limit and the yield strengths are given like this, we are supposed to find what is the factor of safety. So if you want to know more details about these kind of problems, you can check out this particular NPTEL course from the professors of IIT Madras. In that particularly you can look for fatigue loading module. So let's go ahead with the problem. So we'll be using basically these two criteria as a reference for this particular problem. So let's see how these forms are useful. So now we are given that your sigma minimum is minus 50 MPa and your sigma maximum is 50 MPa. So your sigma mean, so sigma m is your sigma mean, that is sigma maximum plus minimum plus maximum by 2. So that means your minus 50 plus 50 by 2 is 0, and your sigma a, that is your basically amplitude, that is sigma max minus sigma min by 2, that is 50 minus of minus 50 by 2, which is again 50 MPa. Okay, so this is your sigma a. Now since we are having your sigma m, that is your mean, to be 0, that means if you look at these two criteria that we generally use for fatigue loading, in that your this term is going to be 0. So basically these two are 0. So that means the general form that you will be using is your sigma a by your SE, which is your 100 MPa, okay, into some factor Kf is equal to 1 by n. So this here, this is factor of safety. Okay, so now when you use this, now here you are not given anything about any particular factor, so therefore you can take Kf to be 1, and your sigma a we found out to be 50 MPa, and your endurance limit is given to be 100 MPa. So therefore your factor of safety n is equal to SE by sigma a, that is 100 by 50, and your Kf is 1, so 1, so that is going to be 2. So therefore your factor of safety is 2. So this is your final answer. Here the sigma m is 0, that is why this simplification was possible. So if you had sigma m not equal to 0, then you would have got a different answer. If you want to know more details about fatigue loading, please refer to the NPTEL course. Thank you.